Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave because it is free just for today, so make sure you hit it. And if you're not new, thank you for clicking on my video again. So for today's video, you can see from the title what I'm about to do, okay? So the reason I came up with this, or the reason I thought to try this, was because I'm kind of tired of doing a lot to my hair. I know that sounds weird because this is probably like, why would you want to do this? But I'm just tired of using gel. I'm tired of having wet hair. I'm tired of having dry hair. I'm tired of having to redo my hair every day. I'm trying to think, how did my mother manage my hair when I was younger? Like, I just had to go back. I was trying to go back to basics, and I was like, honestly, my mom used to do my hair with Vaseline and water, and that's it. And she would twist it up in these little twists, and they would dry and they would last forever. Like, it would last for so long, and that's the only thing we used. Like, it was just, that's just what it was. And I remember watching one of Jayla's videos, and she used Vaseline in her hair, and she's been saying, she's like, I've been using this my whole life, I'm not gonna stop. And I was like, it's so true. Like, growing up, that's like, I was one of those kids. I can't say it's good for your hair, I can't say anything good about it. All I know is that it works really well, and I kind of want to try that again. And I hope people might freak out, but that's okay. We're gonna do this anyways. So I'm gonna try and do my kind of wash and go / defining my hair with just water and Vaseline. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is going to be a fail. So my hair is, I washed my hair maybe 2 days ago, and I have some leave-in conditioner in here. I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in, and now I'm gonna, on top of that, just add some water and Vaseline, and that's literally it. So I'm gonna try it. I don't really care, honestly. You gotta live a little. Let's just try this. I'm gonna start with the front of my hair. So I'm just gonna comb it out a bit at the ends. Okay, just like that. And I'm just gonna take some Vaseline. This is a lot. Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. And I'm just gonna try to finger coil with it. Oh my gosh, okay, you see that? Oh, uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Can you see how it's like slowly forming? I'm just gonna let it do that, okay? I know it looks crazy, but I'm gonna trust this process, trust me. Like, look at this. Do you guys see this coil? Oh my goodness. The only thing is, I hope it dries, which it should, from what I remember. Do you guys see how it's just curling? Do you see that? Honestly, the judgment that is going to happen, I actually don't care though. Oh my gosh, it literally, it looks like I've like texturized my hair. How is this possible? All these pieces, I'm just gonna coil it just like that. Do you guys see how separated? I'm shook. Okay, like, look at this. Okay. I'm literally just mixing it in my hand with the water, making a mess. Just wait. Okay. So we have some bomb definition right here. I'm so shocked. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, okay, look. Wow. That is beautiful. In my opinion, I feel like even though it is Vaseline, I would prefer this. I do prefer this over having gel and having a drying effect afterwards. But maybe I'll look more into petroleum jelly and look at this bad side of it, because right now I'm loving this. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna say I recommend this just because, again, like, this is not, but then, like, it's like we did this back in the day forever. I still, doesn't mean it's the best. Ooh, did you guys see that? It doesn't mean it's the best or the healthiest, but man, it gets the job done. Rub in some Vaseline. All right, guys, so I have done half of my head, literally just the front, top, and sides. I'm leaving the back. I'm not gonna do it just because I'm not gonna be able to keep this style for long. I just want to test this and see if it works for next time when I can actually do my hair. And I just want to show you guys what's happening. I don't have time. Like, I'm just so anxious. I want to see if it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna put some warm heat on my blow dryer. That made no sense. I'm gonna turn my blow dryer to hot or warm or whatever, and I'm just gonna blow it gently on the front to see if this is gonna start absorbing and disappearing. Okay, moment of truth. I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually working. You guys can see the whiteness is kind of disappearing in this area and the definition is still there. It's so moisturized. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so this is working. Do you guys see how much darker it's gotten? Like, it's absorbing or whatever. Because you can see this part I haven't dried yet, and look how white it is compared to here, and look at the shine. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna finish drying it and just come back when it's all done. Oh my gosh, I'm so shocked. Okay, so I basically am done. I'm gonna let the rest dry on its own just because the heat is a little bit strong. And then I just kind of topped it off with some cold air to stop my hair from being so hot just because it's a lot of oil. And I'm amazed. I'm actually amazed. I didn't know this was even possible. And my hair looks and feels so good. Wow. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see the shine and definition? One second, let me fix up this lighting so you guys can see this better. Okay, so this lighting is a bit better for showing the definition. Like, and there's no crunch, there's no hold, like it's still so moisturized. I can't explain to you how soft it is. If I did this on my whole head, I feel like this would last. Oh my, did you see that? Like, it's just like formed into its, I don't even know how to explain it. Look at this. And let me show you the back. In case you forgot what my hair looked like before this, let me just turn around and so you guys can see. This was what was going on. I am absolutely shocked. These curls are beautiful and shiny and just everything. If you've tried this, let me know down below. This is my first time doing this, so I'm very, very, very impressed. And if this is something your mom used to do when you were young, let me know as well, because clearly they knew what they were doing. And it is a little bit oily. I mean, a lot of bit oily, but I feel like throughout the days, it'll cool down. Y'all, do you see the shine? The glisten, the coils, the definition? Like, stop this. Okay. So that is it for this video, guys. I feel like this was a very successful try and I'm so shocked. Comment down below what you think about this. Will you try this, or is this like these ingredients just not for you and your lifestyle? Or are you somebody that doesn't give a damn what you use in your hair as long as it works? Or if I can find a natural product that can do the same thing, but ooh, I am so amazed. This is beautiful. Good to know, good to know. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm gonna leave and just stop being crazy. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video, and in the next slide you can see some more of my videos if you'd like to keep watching. Bye.